Hey everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to fix no signal issues in Samsung Galaxy S26. First of all, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart and click on restart your device. Now go back. After that, turn off flight mode. Open settings. Click on connections. Here you will see flight mode, and if you want to turn off flight mode, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, flight mode will be turned off from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert sims. First of all, you will need a sim injector tool. So put this tool in the sim tray hole, and after that press it gently. Now pull out the sim tray. Now reinsert sim. Now insert sim and pull in sim from your phone. Click on OK. Now reset sim from your phone. After that, reset network settings. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, click on reset network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, your phone network mobile network setting will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Again, open settings, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix no signal issues in Samsung Galaxy S26. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.